what we want to do is, instead of generating an extra, because over here, every time I eat a coin, I call place a coin. And if I'm at 5, then I'm going to start adding 2 coins every time. I think what we could do instead is place a coin and then find out if I'm at that magic number of 5, 10, 15, or 20. And if I am, then all I need to do is just add one extra coin. So if I could even do it down here. I don't need to go through my list. So I'm going to get rid of my for loop. I'm going to generate a coin. And I append that coin to my list. Okay, so that happens every single time. The key thing is that if I hit 5, then I want to really call my place coin a second time. So what I could do is every time I collide, I absolutely have to place a coin. But I could also at that point check to see if I've reached my value of 5. And if I am, then I just call it one more time. So if I've just collided, I need to find, am I at that value of 5? So if the score, and here, before I was using floor division, which rounded me down to 1, 2, 3, or 4. What I can do is I can check for a remainder. If it's divisible by 5, then my remainder is going to be 0, right? So that means I've hit 5. If I took a score of 9, divide that by 5, I get a remainder of 4. I don't do anything then. But when I get to the value, so if I start with 4, divide by 5, it's 0 with a remainder of 4. If I reach 5, 5 divided by 5 is 1 with a remainder of 0. That's when I want to make another coin. 6, 7, 8 all have remainders. 9 has a remainder. 10 divided by 5 is 2 with a remainder of 0. When I hit 10, I want to add one more coin. So what I can do is I can say if score, what's the symbol for remainder division? Percent sign. If score percentage 5 is 0, then that means I've hit my 5 value increment. I'm going to place another coin. So when I eat a coin, it's always going to add one coin. This next little block says if I hit 5, 10, or 15, when I hit 5, add a second coin. So there'll be 2 coins on the screen. When I eat the 6th coin, the 7th coin, 8th coin, it always just adds one coin. But once I hit the 10th coin, it'll replace that 10th coin, or it'll replace the coin that I ate, but now it'll add one additional coin. So every single 5 coins I add will add one more to the screen. And so I think if I run this now, coin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 got generated. So you can see it's keeping 2 on, and then I just hit my value of 10 points. Now I've got three coins, and then once I reach a score of 15, we got 4 coins. And so the concept there, the error before was that my logic was wrong. Right, so I was trying every single time I was eating. If I reached my value of 5, I was generating another 2 or 3 or 4 coins. What I want to do is just every time I hit some sort of a milestone. In this case, I've set my milestone to being 5 points. I call that place coin method one more time to add yet another coin to my list. So the place coin, no matter what, we'll always append it. And then, yeah, that's I think all we need to do. Ultimately, I think the concepts are challenging. I'm just going to scroll through here. Oops. So the end of this video, you can see that we've adjusted our coins here. I should stop my program. So we've got a coins value, which is a list. I've set my score to 0. The difference here is we need to now, because we've got a list of coins, we need to iterate through the entire list of coins to draw them each time. So if there's more than one coin, that's what that coin does. That's what that line does, line 25 and 26. And then we check after our collision detection. We need to remove the coin from the list that we just collided with. So this set of code down here, I'm not sure why it's not here. We go. This code here iterates through all the coins, checks to see if I've hit any one of them. When I have collided with that individual coin at index at position 3, for example, if I is 3, then I remove the third coin from the list. So I make sure that I'm removing the coin that I've collided with. When I have, I then need to place a new coin, and then I check to see if I'm at a milestone to add yet one more coin. And then my place coin code, I don't need that in a loop. The place coin is just what I've always had. I create a coin, generate an X and Y value, and then I append that to my coins list. Those are the changes that we've made. Okay, so if you watch this, the last